Alright, I was out here the other week and this water drop had 30 gallons of water, and I'm out here doing this again by myself, but I do it 90% of the time I'm by myself. Anyway, I'm going to show you a couple of things. Alright, hang on. That is a brand new carpet shoe, because I know, because it's not faded yet, and it fades out fast. Those are just cheap ones, so they abandoned them. But this, last time I was here, had 30 gallons of water. There's only 6. There's still 2 cases of beans, and right over there is the fence, and it ends right behind that hill. So they just walk around it, come straight up this trail, and so with 24 gallons gone, that's a lot of people. And I put a new one down in here. If I can see it from here. But there's 6 gallons down in there. So 24 gallons gone off of this one. They added another one. There's another drop behind me about a quarter mile. So I'm going to shoot over there and see what that one looks like. That one also was 30 gallons. So I'm going to go check it out, and I'll let you know what I see. Alright, thanks. Okay, I'm only about, maybe halfway to the next water drop. And the last one back there, I saw a good fresh sign coming this way. But you saw the carpet shoes. So it looks like they've abandoned, but this is reminiscent of the old days. I mean, I can't even, I know how to track, but I can't even count the amount of people going up and down this frickin' trail. They're just, it's stomped in good. No cattle here, which is making it very, very easy. Came with the other saddle. Came up over that. It's about a 45-degree slope. It's pretty freaking brutal, but there's a sign going all the way down it. You can see the slips and the slides. But this had 33 gallons of water. And look at that, somebody's Gatorade that filled up with water. And there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17. So, that's within a week. And on my way up, there's another new drop down at the bottom with 13 gallons of water. So they're stocking this area big. And, I mean, like I said, there's sign going up and down the hill coming from the other one. This place is jumping. So, alright, time to travel on and see what the hell else.